and welcome to my channel Tek-on-net. In this video we will be discussing on the future of warehousing and logistics. In this video, we will explore how technological advancements and changing consumer behavior are transforming the world of logistics and warehousing. We will also discuss the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead and what the future may hold for this industry. Section 1. The impact of e-commerce on warehousing and logistics. The rise of e-commerce has had a significant impact on the warehousing and logistics industry. More consumers are shopping online, and this has led to an increase in demand for fast and reliable delivery services. As a result, companies are investing in advanced technology such as automation and robotics to speed up the process and reduce costs. For example, Amazon has been using robots in their warehouses to move products around and pick orders, which has increased efficiency and accuracy while reducing labor costs. Section 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in warehousing and logistics. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are becoming increasingly important in the warehousing and logistics industry. AI-powered systems can help companies optimize their supply chains by predicting demand, optimizing routes, and reducing waste. Machine learning algorithms can also help companies make more informed decisions by analyzing data on customer behavior, order history, and inventory levels. For example, DHL has been using AI-powered logistics to optimize their routes and delivery schedules, which has led to significant cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. Section 3. The future of warehousing and logistics. The future of warehousing and logistics is exciting and filled with opportunities. Companies that embrace new technologies and adapt to changing consumer behavior will have a competitive advantage. Here are some of the trends that we can expect to see in the future. Autonomous vehicles, self-driving trucks and drones are expected to become more common in the logistics industry. This will enable faster and more efficient deliveries, reduce costs, and improve safety. Augmented reality. Augmented reality can help workers locate products and fulfill orders more quickly and accurately. This technology can also be used to train new employees and reduce the risk of errors. Blockchain. Blockchain technology can help improve supply chain transparency and reduce the risk of fraud. This can increase consumer trust and confidence in the products they purchase. Sustainability. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, companies will need to focus on sustainability in their supply chain. This could include the use of electric vehicles, green packaging, and renewable energy sources. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of warehousing and logistics is exciting and filled with opportunities. Technological advancements, changing consumer behavior, and increasing demand for fast and reliable delivery services are driving innovation in this industry. Companies that embrace new technologies and adapt to these changes will have a competitive advantage. We hope you found this video informative and useful.